Today, I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why you should consider becoming a plumber. And we're getting right to it. Welcome to the show, guys. Glad to have you. If you're looking to sharpen up on all your plumbing skills and just learn a few things, you came to the right place. Make sure to drop down and subscribe to my channel. That way you're not going to miss any of my awesome videos. Reason number 1 why you should consider becoming a plumber is plumbers are in demand, okay? You're never going to have to worry about finding a job as long as you can get into the right company and the right place at the right time. But nothing's easy, nothing's free. You're going to have to start from the bottom up. But pay attention and find somebody that really knows what they're talking about. That way you can learn and become an apprentice and work your way up towards journeyman, as well as maybe someday a master plumber. Second reason why you should consider becoming a plumber. Becoming a plumber is going to help you with your basic motoring skills, troubleshooting, using your hands, stuff like that, which can excel you down the road if you decide not to stick with plumbing. It's going to give you those certain skills to put you into the industry of whatever it is that you want to do. But this is a type of job and trade that is really going to help you out when it comes to using your head and hands well. Hey, third reason why I could consider becoming a plumber, pretty decent money, you know, depending on where you live in the country or whatever. Different companies are going to pay you different on your skill or your demographics. Like guys that are doing plumbing up in New York may be making a lot more or a lot less than guys that are working down in Texas. So if you're planning on getting into this kind of trade and industry, figure out where the best place you want to see yourself growing that has most opportunity for money. Job security. Fourth reason, job security is a really good thing to have. Nobody wants to be out looking for a new job every year or so, okay? So if you get yourself set up in the right way of learning this skill and finding a company that is busy, that has a good reputation, you're never going to have to worry about finding another job or trade for that matter. For the fact being is plumbing is everywhere you go. So there's always going to be plumbing. So make sure you think about that when you get into this trade. Reason number 5 that you should consider becoming a plumber. Hey, you can go to work anywhere you want, okay? The United States, Russia, United Kingdom, Africa. I heard South Africa's got a lot of plumbers down there and they have a lot of work if you're in the market to travel. Of course, pay is going to vary from demographics where you go. And if you're a northern person, you're going to find yourself during the wintertime probably working inside quite often because of the cold weather. So there you have it. Today's video of the day. I hope that you enjoyed it.
Good stuff. Good video.
Yeah, thanks, Tim. Appreciate that. So make sure to take just a minute and drop down below, and just like Tim said, and until next time, keep plumbing. I'll see you.